All right, this week we've been talking about open-ended word problems. So word problems that can have more than one answer. And today I'm going to read yesterday's word problem that I hadn't gotten to do with you guys yet. Anne picked 3 flowers. Her brother picked less than Anne. How many flowers could her brother have picked? How many flowers could they have picked total? Explain your thinking with pictures and words. So with open-ended word problems, there isn't always just one answer. There could be multiple answers. And today, we know that Anne picked 3 flowers. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to draw what we know. So we want to show our answer in 2 ways. And the first way is we're going to show it with pictures. So Anne picked 3 flowers. So I am going to draw 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. Give them a little bit of color on the inside. Alrighty. All right. There's my 3 flowers. Let me give them a stem. I wonder if they're picking flowers for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up in 2 days. Don't forget that on Saturday or Sunday. Make sure you're extra nice to your mommies. They work hard. Do special things for them. So Anne picked 3 flowers. So we drew Anne's 3 flowers. And her brother picked less than Anne. All right, so less means a smaller amount, okay? So could her brother have picked 5 flowers? No, because 5 is more than 3. So what is a number that is less than 3? 2 is less, okay? 1 is also less. And 0 is also less. Let's just pretend, though, for today's sake, that he at least picked 1. Okay, so I'm going to say, and there's only a couple ways to solve this problem, so I will do it both ways. Let's just say for now that his brother or her brother picked 2 flowers. I'm going to try to draw some daffodils. Oh my goodness. I colored the whole thing yellow. I suppose I should close that up and maybe I'm going to try it again. All right, I got it that time. That's what I get for trying to color things, huh? All right, I got my daffodils, and now I'm going to draw the stems. All right, so Anne picked 3 flowers, and her brother picked less than Anne. We're saying right now he picked 2. How many flowers could they have picked total? So right now, I'm going to show you how to solve this with words. So I'm going to write what I know in 3. And then our connector word is and. 3 and. How many flowers did her brother pick? 2. 3 and 2 is, what is 3 and 2 together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 2 is 5. All right, but I told you guys that there are multiple ways to solve this. So, what is a number that is less than 2? 1. So I'm going to erase one of my daffodils. I'm going to erase this number and this number. All right, so this stays the same. That's the one thing that stays the same in the problem. Anne always picks 3, and her brother always picks less. It just doesn't tell us how many her brother picks. But this time, he picked Just one flower, so 3 and 1. What is 3 and 1? 1 more than 3 is 4. 3 and 1 is 4. All right, and again, 0 is a number. However, we're not really going to use it today only because we want to make sure that he's at least getting something. So 3 and 2 is 5, and 3 and 1 is 4. And there really weren't a lot of ways to solve this problem like the other day when there were tons and tons of ways. This one was a little bit easier. All right, guys, I hope you had fun with your word problems. Today, you can make up your own open-ended word problem. Now, open-ended ones are a little bit harder, so you can also just create any kind of word problem. It doesn't have to be open-ended, but just try your best. All right, friends, see you later.